Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So in this video, we're going to go over directions in French. And I find these particularly important to at least recognize in case you're driving somewhere, you need to understand where you're going, okay? So stick around. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Nat and I love teaching you French, whether it's grammar, expressions, vocabulary. Just make sure to subscribe because I post 2 new videos a week and I want to make sure that you don't miss any content. All right, now let's get into the lesson. All right, guys, so we're going to go over some basic directional words in French and then maybe how you could ask for directions, okay? But the first thing I want to go over is how to say north, south, east, and west in French, okay? Because let me know, if you saw a sign like this, would you understand it? Would you know where to go? I've had clients that got totally lost because they couldn't read east from west in French, okay? Because in Montreal in particular, we don't have English and French. We're sticklers, we just put the French up there and we hope that you're going to recognize it, okay? So let's go over these 4 words first, and then we'll go over a few more. So north in French is nord, N-O-R-D, nord. South in French is sud, S-U-D, sud. So these would you probably recognize because they start with the same letter, N and S, so you'd probably figure that out. The tricky ones are east and west, okay? So east in French is est, E-S-T, est. So, you know what? They're almost spelled the same, so that's not so bad. They both start with the E. West, however, actually sound the same, but are spelled completely differently. So west in French is ouest. It sounds the same, but on a road sign, it's written O-U-E-S-T. That spells west. Okay, so est et ouest. So if you're going to learn anything from this video, just be sure to recognize those 4 words, okay? Because in Montreal, those signs come up fast with all the highways and the cross sections, so I just want to make sure you know where you're going. All right, so let's keep going. So if you're walking around Montreal or walking around Paris and you're just lost and you absolutely need to ask for directions, you could say, excusez-moi, excuse me, excusez-moi, je suis perdu. I'm lost. Je suis perdu. Excusez-moi, je suis perdu. So you can ask 2 questions. You could say, où est l'arrêt d'autobus? Where is the bus stop? Où est l'arrêt d'autobus? Où est l'arrêt de métro? Where is the metro station? Or you could say, je cherche, I'm looking for. Je cherche l'arrêt d'autobus. Je cherche l'arrêt de taxi. Okay? Both of them are really good. Whatever one you're more comfortable saying, où est or je cherche. Okay? So 2 other words we're going to go over before getting into the rest of these instructions are left and right. Left is gauche and right is droite. Gauche, droite. Okay? All right. So the way the person could respond could be either saying il est au nord, il est au sud, il est à l'est ou à l'ouest. Okay? That would be more for, I think, driving directions when you use the north-south kind of instructions. So il est au nord ou elle est au nord, elle est à l'ouest. Okay? So you can say il est, elle est, with the north, south, east, west word, okay? Il est au nord, il est au sud. If you're walking, typically, we wouldn't usually use north, south as much. So you would say something more like this. You could say go, aller, or you can say turn, tourner, or you can say continue, you could say continuer. So these 3 words are the typical words you would use to give directions. So you just want to get familiar with hearing them. So somebody can say, allez dans cette direction. Go in that direction. Tournez à gauche. Turn left. Tournez à droite. turn right. Continuez à gauche. Continuez dans cette direction. Continue to the left or continue in that direction, okay? Or lastly, you can say continuez tout droit. Continuez tout droit means continue straight ahead, okay? Let me know if this all makes sense to you in the notes below. Write French if this makes sense to you, okay? So be sure to check the show notes below because I'm going to include a free download for you that will include all these words to make sure you can go over them at your own pace, okay? And then you can come back to the video, jump back in, and practice again, okay? So thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe because I want to make sure that you don't miss any videos, all right? I'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis!